Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, today I'm gonna share a little secret with y'all here. Don't y'all tell anybody. Today I'm gonna show y'all a secret how to make the most crispy on the outside and most moist, juicy pork chop you ever did. I'm gonna show you the tricks of the trade, how we do it in the food industry, and how I do it at my house when I have to serve a lot of people. Like when I have parties and stuff, and I'm gonna do pork chops. I do this with fried chicken too, but especially pork chops, and how to just do a lot of them ahead, and when the people come, it's still crispy and still moist and juicy inside. So I'm gonna show you the secret here, how I do it. So anyway, before I get started, please like, subscribe, and comment. I think that's what I'm supposed to say. I don't say it enough, so I think people know that already. They watch enough YouTube videos. People always say, please share, comment, and subscribe. Please share, comment, and subscribe. So I don't say that. So y'all know already. So my hashtag this year, I will keep saying that, help somebody, old school soul food. So let's get started here. Okay. Another reason I do this, I got some thick chops here, y'all. Thick, nice, thick pork chops. See how thick these are? They're like 2-inch thick pork chops. So they're not going to be able to cook all the way in the skillet without burning up. So I need to figure out a way to keep them nice and juicy and a nice golden brown color. So let me season them here. Y'all know I'm using my old school shape. My cavenders here. My cavenders. And my granulated garlic. That's pretty much all the seasoning I use on my food. Y'all know it already. I don't use a lot of spices. Turn them over. Season the other side here. I got my oil heating up. And I use a blend, y'all. When I do fry a lot of foods, I use a peanut oil and vegetable oil blend. You can buy it in the store like that. I'd like to do a little blend. The temperature holds a lot longer. Okay, put some season this really good. And a little granulated garlic there. Nice seasoned chops there. Okay. Let me get this out the way. I got my oil heating up, like I say. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here, y'all, I'm going to do a dry, wet, dry method. And that's going to make them crispy. Okay, I got flour. I'm going to do flour first. I got 1 egg in here and a couple of cups of whole milk. That's going to be the second method. And then I'm going to use 2 parts of breadcrumbs. And 1 part of panko, which is Japanese breadcrumbs. That's the secret there, y'all. A little bit more in here. That's the secret. Alright. Mix them up in there. Y'all can see that. Okay. The oil is still heating up there. Let me put this out the way. I like to get stuff out of my way, y'all, while I'm cooking here. I don't like, y'all know me enough. I know I don't like working in no clusters. Okay, now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to pork chop right here. I'm going to do dry, wet, dry into the oil. Let me check my oil here and see if it's ready to go here. Okay, pretty much it is. I'm going to take my pork chop, put it in my flour first. Make sure it's good and covered with flour. Shake out all the excess flour. Dip it completely in my milk egg mixture. Y'all with me now? Now into my breadcrumb. The key here, make sure it's completely packed on here, y'all. That's the key. Make sure the breadcrumbs are completely packed on there. Good. That's the key. If you don't get it packed on there completely, it's going to defeat the purpose. And that's it. Put it right in the oil. That's it. We'll get another one here, braid it out right quick. See if I can get all 3 of them in here. Gotta move pretty quick here. On that side. Make sure they're good and packed in there. And it's also going to make your pork chop look a lot bigger than it actually is. One more here. Flour, milk and egg, and breadcrumbs. If I could have used a bigger, a bit more there on there. It should get really, really good on here, y'all. Okay, put this in there. There we go. Now, we're going to cook them by 2-3 minutes on each side. We turn them over. After 2 or 3 minutes on each side, they're still not going to be done completely. I know that. We're going to put them on, that's another key, that's another secret here. We're going to put it on the sheet pan with a rack, put it in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. You're going to have the perfect golden brown, crispy, juicy pork chop you ever tasted. Let's see here. Let's see how these are right now. They're ready to turn over. They're ready to turn over there. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how pretty and golden brown that is. Let me turn that down where y'all can see. Okay, now y'all can see. I'm sorry, I didn't let y'all can even see what I was doing. That's the key right there, y'all. I was cooking, y'all didn't see what I was cooking. Didn't have my camera down there. Okay. It's trying to see that this is ready to turn over. That one's ready to turn over. The other one got another minute. See how pretty those are? You people are gonna be amazed when they taste your pork chop. Like, oh my God, how'd you make these pork chops? Like I said, it's gonna be our little secret, y'all. Let's see if this is ready to turn over. Not quite. One more minute, that'll be ready to turn over. And what happens, the Japanese breadcrumbs, if you ever work with those, they stay crispy so long, and I wanted to develop a way that I could have crispy pork chops. And turn that one over. Oh yeah. Pretty, pretty pork chops, y'all. Look at that. How golden brown those are. Nice. And you can also do it in a deep fry like this too. And of course, you won't have to turn them. So you want to cook them on each side about 2-3 minutes. Take them out. And see this pan right here? We're going to put it on the sheet pan right here. We're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. You're going to have a perfect, crispy, juicy pork chop. This is going to be a quick video, y'all. But I think it's an important one. Sometimes the quick ones are the most important ones. Okay. I know this one in the back is ready. Put it on the pan. See how that looks? See how pretty that looks? Take the other one off here. Put that one on there. Give this in one more minute. This one's ready too. Oh yeah. This is definitely ready too. Okay. Now, turn this off. Now we're going to put this in the oven 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. And we're going to come back in about 15 minutes. And I'm going to show you some nice, crispy, juicy pork chops. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we are back. Look at these nice, juicy pork chops. I just took out the oven. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let them rest here. I like to let them rest for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to put them on the plate here. And when we come back, we're going to taste these nice, juicy, crispy on the outside, juicy and moist in the inside pork chop. So we will be right back in about, give them about 10 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Got the pork chop. Let me show you here. pretty these is. Look how juicy these is inside. Perfectly cooked. Look at that. Perfectly cooked and juicy and tender. Hear that? Crispy on the outside. Perfectly juicy inside. And you see how thick that chop is. That's the secret, y'all, of a nice crispy pork chop on the outside, juicy in the inside, perfectly cooked, and flavorful. You do it this way, people will be amazed. A nice crispy breading. Can't go wrong, y'all. Can't go wrong. So, I'm going to end this video now. Like I said, it was a nice short video, but it's an important one. Now you can make pork chops flawlessly if you do my method just like that. So anyway, visit my other social media accounts: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest. I think that's all of them. I don't think I missed one. Instagram, did I say that one? And oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And don't forget the hashtag for 2021. Help somebody. Old School Soul Food. See y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.